Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Mathematics. These coming videos we are going to discuss about the trigonometry. In this series of videos we will be discussing from the basics till the advanced trigonometric concepts. Be with me and let us start the introduction to trigonometry. Trigonometry basically is derived from the Greek word trigon and metron, two Greek words. Trigon means a triangle and metron is measure. So overall it is trigonometry. Here students, we have to see the purpose of the trigonometry. As we are dealing with the right angle triangle trigonometry here, we need to remember few things like adjacent side, opposite side and hypotenuse side. We'll discuss. And this trigonometry gives the relationship between the sides and the angles of a triangle. Before moving to the topic, we need to understand few terms related to the right triangle. The right triangle is a triangle where one of the angle is right angle, that is 90 degrees. So here we have two right triangles, you can see. Actually they are both same triangles. Here triangle ABC where C is right angle, the same replication is here also. And now let us see, we have angle A here, it is represented as θ1 and angle B here is represented as θ2. Here we will discuss about the different terms related to trigonometry like hypotenuse, opposite side, adjacent side. These are the three terms. And hypotenuse, as usual, it is the opposite side to the right angle. Here AB is opposite side to right angle, that is the hypotenuse. We can represent as in short hypo, HYP. Similarly, if you consider the angle θ1, the opposite side to θ1 is BC. You can represent as opposite side. It is always opposite to the theta we are considering, the angle we are considering. And AC is the adjacent side to the θ1 as it is adjacent to the theta angle. So we will represent it as ADJ or adjacent. Now if you consider this triangle, here we have θ2. Now if you assume AC will be opposite to the θ2, similarly AB is the opposite to angle right angle, that is always hypotenuse. And of course the remaining side, the BC, is next adjacent to the θ2, so it is adjacent side. So these are the very important terms you should understand in order to understand the concept of trigonometric ratios. The ratios of the sides of a right triangle are called trigonometric ratios. Let us see what are the different types of trigonometric ratios. With the combination of the three terms hypotenuse, hypotenuse and adjacent, we can define the three basic trigonometric ratios like opposite over hypotenuse, ratio to the opposite side to theta, and the hypotenuse gives you a basic definition of trigonometric ratio as sine theta. Sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, and you can assume if you consider this triangle here, the ratio of sine theta can be given as opposite is BC over hypotenuse, it is AB here. Similarly, the other trigonometric ratio is cosine theta, shortly cos theta. Cos theta is given as the ratio to the adjacent to the hypotenuse, adjacent to the adjacent side to theta to the hypotenuse. Here if you see this triangle, here adjacent side to theta is AC over hypotenuse is AB. Similarly, we can define the third trigonometric function or trigonometric ratio as tangent theta. Tangent theta is opposite side to theta over adjacent side to theta. Here we are considering theta, so you have to take the opposite side, that is BC, over adjacent side, that is AC here. So tan theta here according to this triangle is BC over AC. Now if you take the reciprocals of these three basic trigonometric functions, you will get the remaining three trigonometric functions. Let us see the reciprocals of these basic trigonometric functions. Reciprocal of the sine theta, you can say that 1 over sine theta, 1 over sine theta, that is equal to hypo over opposite, and this is nothing but cosecant theta. So the definition of cosecant theta is hypotenuse over opposite, which is the reciprocal of sine theta. Similarly, if you take the reciprocal of cos theta, 1 over cos theta is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent. This is secant theta. So the secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is the basic definition is hypotenuse over adjacent. Similarly, we can define 1 over tan theta, that is cot theta, and the definition of cot theta is adjacent over opposite, that is cot theta. So here these are the 6 basic definitions of trigonometric ratios. You need to remember tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. Let us see, when you divide the sine theta and cos theta, the hypotenuse will get cancelled and you will get opposite over adjacent, which is tan theta. So you can keep that in your mind, that tan theta can be also written as sin theta over cos theta. The same time, you can find the definition of cot theta as the reciprocal of tan theta, that is cot theta is equal to cos theta over sin theta. Now, let us find the shortcut to remember these 6 trigonometric ratio. It is very easy to understand these 6 ratios using simple sentence SOH CAH TOA. Let us write here. Here S stands for sine and C stands for cos, T for tan, and of course you might have guessed what O for A and H. O for opposite, H for hypotenuse and A for adjacent. So, sin theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So, here C cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Here tan is equal to, you can keep here theta, tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. So, using this basic trick, you can remember all the 6 trigonometric functions. You can also observe that the product of the reciprocal and a number is equal to 1. So, the multiplication of the trigonometric function and its reciprocal also will be 1. Let us see. That means, we can arrive to the 3 definitions: sin theta into its reciprocal cosecant theta is equal to 1, as sin theta into 1 by sin theta. When these are get cancelled, you will get 1. That way you can say sin theta into cosecant theta is 1. Similarly, you can say cos theta into secant theta is also 1. Cos theta multiplied by secant theta is also 1, and at the same time tan theta into cot theta also equals to 1. I hope you understood the basic concept of the 6 trigonometric ratios, the basic definitions. You can share my video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, you can make a comment and we'll clear that in our next session. Thank you.